This n8n automation system is built specifically for HVAC contractors. When a customer seriously submits a service request in this particular form with the HVAC's unit nameplate, so we will be sending the whole issue description on the image of the HVAC unit nameplate to a visual model provided by Gemini. So our AI will instantly reach the brand, model, serial number, and the refrigerant type that was used in that particular unit. And then it will also be analyzes the reported problem to predict whether it is a simple fix or a costly repair. And it will be automatically calculates repair versus replace score based on the estimated job cost. And also it will be saving everything, every single thing into your GoHighLevel CRM. And it will be also sending your lead technician a WhatsApp message about this whole diagnosis along with the service request. So that your lead technician will also be getting an opportunity to be, having a look about this that particular service request. So let's see things in action. So if let's just submit the form over here. So yeah, okay. I already selected the nameplate image too. So I will be submitting here. So let's see how this particular thing goes. Let's go to the execution tab and let's wait for it. Yeah, okay. And execution was running. Okay. The execution was successful. So if everything goes well, we will be receiving a WhatsApp message, right? So let's just have a look. Okay. Just have a look, the automation system automatically sends a WhatsApp message along with the, you know, user submitted HVAC nameplate, and it also included the AI diagnosis summary and what are the next steps and also, yeah, that's it for today.